Hey guys, this is Deanna with Grown and Vegan. You know, onion rings are one of those foods that have to be done just right for me to like them. If they are breaded too thick or the onion is too thick, I just don't like to eat them. So if you're like me, you will love this recipe. These onion rings are simple and delicious, but they are crispy and done just right. So let's go ahead and get into the recipe. For this, I used a sweet onion. I also used smoked paprika, onion powder, pink salt, garlic powder, umami seasoning, black pepper, some flour, and some almond milk. So first you're going to peel and wash your onion and then slice it thin. You want to slice this from the bottom to make sure you can create the rings. Then separate the rings. Now, my rings kind of fell apart, some of them, but that's fine. You just have onion straws instead of onion rings. No worries. I put these aside and covered them with some almond milk. And then I made the wet and dry mixture. I did not measure, so it's okay. You're not going to mess this up. Um, it's not really that it's not a big deal. It just really depends on how many onion rings you're going to be making, is how much you're going to use. So add some flour and then sprinkle in all of the seasonings. Mix this up and then add a small spoon of that dry mixture into a separate bowl. Then you're going to drain off all that almond milk from the onions into that bowl and mix it up. Then just dredge the onions, place them in the wet mixture first and then dredge them through the dry mixture and repeat this. Fry them in the pan until they get a nice, beautiful golden brown. And that's it. They are so simple. When they're done, I just place them on a paper towel to kind of drain off some of that oil. And then enjoy them however you like. I added them to a delicious salad, but I also have eaten them with just French fries. You can place these on top of a black bean burger. You can do all kinds of things with these, but they are absolutely delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.